Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Infinity by Harman Zip 20 stereo in-ear headphone. Let's quickly take a look at what information we can find in the box before opening it up. It's over here, it's written deep bass sound, hands-free call. There seems to be an inline remote with media control. The cable length is 1.2 meters. There's a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz, which is pretty standard. A 10mm driver. I don't know if you can see this, a 10mm driver, and an L-shaped 3.5mm plug. There is more information on the back, but unfortunately there's a big sticker here, so we can't really make out what's written. Let's just open this box up and see what's inside. These are your headphones. There's one document actually over here, and there's also a tiny box. We'll see what's inside the box. So let's see what's this. This is your, I'm assuming, your Zip 20 user manual. There, this is your Zip 20 user manual, pretty tiny. Yeah, quick start guide, warranty card and warning. There's also a QR code here. This, I'm assuming, this is what you use to register to the website. Once again, I don't know if you can see this. This is what you scan to register to the website. A lot of important information. Just go through it once before you start using this. It won't take you long. Let's keep this over here. Let's see what's inside this tiny little box. Extra silicone tips as expected. There we go. There are two pairs. This is the large one, and these are your small ones. Finally, we have our headphones themselves. I'm going to rip this tag off very carefully so that I don't tear it. This one's here. And yeah, there you go. This is what the headphone looks like. You already have silicone tips at the top. These are your standard in-ear design. There's not much going on. They're not magnetic. Cable length is 1.2 meters, and it becomes a little thicker towards the end, making it a little tangle-free in a manner of speaking. This is your L-shaped 3.5mm aux port. And finally, you have an inline media control right here, and there's an Infinity logo at the back as well. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Infinity by Harman Zip 20 in-ear headphones. Thank you for watching.